Welcome. In front of me is a BLACKVIEW Tab 8, and today I'll show you how to format the SD card. And to get started, let's go into the settings, and from here you want to choose storage, where you should see your SD card. And once you tap on it, it will open up that storage. So from here, what you want to do is tap on the three dots and go into storage settings, where you will find the format option. So when you tap on it, it will give you a message that basically performing this will remove everything from that card. And well, if there's anything that you'd like to keep, then you might want to back it up beforehand, otherwise you will lose it permanently. But assuming you have already done it, or you simply don't want to, then choose Format SD card, and this will automatically begin the process. It only takes a couple of seconds, and once it's finished, the card will be ready to be used once more, as it is right now. So click on done and you're completely finished. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.